Today we're going to install a Wicker bill on a 2018 Dodge Challenger TA. First we're going to do is line it up, then put some masking tape on it to hold it into position. Then we're going to drive some pilot hose with a 1/8 drill bit. Went ahead and did this step. Let's go ahead and remove it. I have my pilot hose already made. We just decided to make a video of how to do this real quick. So we're on to the next step. We're going to use a 2564 drill bit to make the holes bigger for the rivets that came with the hardware kit. So let's go ahead and do that real quick. We're going to go ahead and make these pilot holes even bigger. There's the first one made, and I'm going to go ahead and do the second one. There it is. Now we'll go ahead and do the rest of them. Alright, so here is the hardware kit. The way we're going to set this up, we're going to grab this here. We're going to put this golden screw in through here. It has two little washers. We're going to put this little washer here, and then the rivet. We're going to go ahead and tie this down, just like so. We're going to use some vice grips to hold this down. Alright, there it is. And we're going to use a 7/16 to drive it in. And this is going to mushroom out and compress right in here, just like so. So now we're going to go ahead and tie this up so I can compress it, take out the screw, and do the next process all the way around. Get closer though.
Go.
Go ahead and tie this up. And you feel it getting tighter. That's pretty good. Let's go ahead and loosen this up. There it is. Nice and secured. Perfect. So now let's go ahead and do the rest. Alright, now that we have all our rivets in place, we're going to go ahead and mount the Wicker bill. We're going to go ahead and take off all these cardboard covers, the little sticker, the protector that it has, and then we'll slap it on. It is a two-piece, so we'll take off both of these and line it up, start bolting it down. Alright, so there it is. Let's go ahead and get these screws ready. Alright, the way we're going to do this is we're going to grab the screw, grab this little tapered head, whatever the fuck it's called. A cover? You think it's a cover? It's not covering anything though. Look at it just makes it look more flush, more professional, I guess. So let's go ahead and get this lined up. We're gonna set this up like this and like that. Slap it on the back and mount these screws on. Alright, and there it is. This one is on the outside of this one here. There it is, just like so. Now we are using a 5/32 to tie this down, Allen wrench. Let's go ahead and secure this down. Not too tight, just perfect. Cool. We'll leave this one so we could adjust this one. Let's go ahead and secure the corner ones down. Alright, Mr. Owner. Where do you want this one at? Want it there? Or you want it higher? Oh, we gotta loosen those up a little bit. Like that? All the way up?
Yep.
All the way down. All the way up, huh? Fuck yeah. Let's go ahead and secure these down, and we're set. And there it is. Ready to go. This is dope. Damn, Ribby, that looks hella good, man.
Thanks, dude.
Sweet. Damn.
Please make sure like, comment, and subscribe. Please,
Man.
please.
Props. Hell yeah. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.